Hello, welcome to class. Today is Wednesday, April the 8th. This is 4th hour science, Miss Gomez's homeroom class. So yesterday I posted a video and I read a story. I found a seed story and I put everybody's name in it, and I had a good time with the story. However, that was breaking confidentiality, so the video had to be removed. So I'm going to quickly go over yesterday's assignments, which I showed a picture of the life cycle of a plant. Here we can see where number 1 is. The seed is just barely planted. Number 2, the seed is germinating underground. Number 3, there is a stem. Number 4, there are leaves. And number 5, we have our plant. That is a life cycle of a plant. Okay, yesterday's words were picture vocabulary. Was C and D. So we had crab, cactus, cake, calendar, car, caterpillar, cone, cup, corn. We have dolphin, dinosaur, dice, dollar, doll, desk, door, duck, and dog. Today's vocabulary words are E and F. We have E words: elephant, eagle, earth, elf, egg, 8, eye, ear, and exit sign. We also have our F words: fan, feet, fox, finger, 5, feather, fish, fire, and fork. Those are vocabulary words for the 2 days. Yesterday's assignment was plant riddles, and what they were supposed to do is read the riddle, cut out the pictures on the bottom, and glue them to the correct riddle. Our shapes for the day were circles and squares. Color the circles red, color the squares blue. And that was, for the most part, yesterday's assignment. Of course, I have given our F words, E and F words for today. Has your seed sprouted? We do have at least one person whose seed has sprouted. I do want to talk about plants. Like all living things, have different parts. Each part has an important function within the plant. Roots grow down into the ground and absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The stem connects the plant parts and moves water, nutrients, and food around the plant. The plant leaves get energy from the sun through a process called photosynthesis. The flower, fruit, and seeds are all part of the plant's reproductive process, which means to keep their species alive and continuing to grow. The different plant parts work together to live and thrive. So today I would like to encourage you, if you have a clipboard, a paper, and a pencil, maybe today's assignment, which is to draw a packet of seeds and to draw a plant. label your plant, and at the bottom there is a sentence that begins, "My plant is," and the students can go ahead and put in what plant they drew. Again, I'd like to encourage students to go outdoors, and if you have a magnifying glass and a clipboard, take it and look at all the differences in leaves. Look at tree bark, flowers. And there's not too many flowers right now, but maybe dandelions. There's a lot of them, and they're kind of pretty flowers. If you know anything about dandelions, after the flower, they turn into this fuzzy poof ball. And if you blow that, which many of us often do, we just blow it, those are actually seeds, so they spread the dandelion seeds everywhere again. So how are the plants different that you are seeing? Do they have different kinds of leaves, or are they the same? Find a plant and draw it. Draw what you see in your pot for today's assignment. Label its parts, the leaves, the stem, the flower, the petals. What details can you see with a magnifying glass that you couldn't see otherwise? Some misconceptions that people have are that plants only need their roots to receive the nutrients they need to live. In fact, through all of the part plants, the roots do absorb water and nutrients, but they need all of their parts to live. For example, without their leaves, they would be unable to perform photosynthesis, which again is a process of taking in sunlight and carbon dioxide to convert sunlight to food. Use your tools, keep a notebook, or write on your lesson paper what you notice about plants, and practice your plant vocabulary as you draw and label the parts. So color a picture today, and maybe do a dot to dot. There were a couple of cool dot to dots in your assignment. That concludes our lesson for today. Don't forget to water your plant, and have a great day.